let me read first a literature of Manlalatik folk dance. The Maglalatik, also known as Manlalatik or Magbabaho, is an indigenous dance from the Philippines in which coconut shell halves that are secured onto the dancer's hands and on the vest, upon which are hung 4 or 6 more coconut shell halves. The dancers perform the dance by hitting one coconut shell with the other. Sometimes the ones on the hands, sometimes the ones on the body, and sometimes the shells worn by another performer, all in time to a fast drum beat. Like many native Filipino dances, it is intended to impress the viewer with the great skill of the dancer. And in some Filipino martial arts circles, it has been noted that the Maglalatik consists of a chopping and a boxing method hidden in a dance. The name of the dance means latik maker, from latik, a coconut product that is used in Filipino cooking.
Once again, welcome the Red Phantoms.